I'm not going to ask you to tell us the whole thing because people need to go and get the book for that or contact you for that. But would you give us just one piece from it or one question from it? Because I've seen you interviewing people all over the place with these questions from the happiness equation. Would you select one that you feel might be an interesting one to tell us about today?
Sure. Okay. Before that, I do that, I am an open book, and again, I'm trying to help people lower the bar as much as possible. So people can go on my website and answer all 7 questions for free, no credit card, no email address, and get your happiness score. So you can know all the questions. They're all there. I'm not really gatekeeping information. Now, if you want to go deeper, yes, please buy my book and read it and let me know what you thought. But yes, so
Thank you for
there's seven.
that. People can go to the website and they can fill in the answers themselves and they will get a profile, a happiness equation results.
Yeah, they'll get a happiness score is what we call it, and it's a score on a 0 to 100 point scale. And what the score does, just for context, is it's not a measure of your emotional state, because in the book I talk about um, my definition for happiness, and I make a delineation between the emotion of happiness and the happiness that I'm referring to. Now, the happiness that I'm referring to is a sense of satisfaction and inner peace at the deepest level of yourself. That's what I'm referring to, and that's what this whole equation and whole project is designed for. And we do that through building structures in your life that have a byproduct of happiness, the emotion of happiness. And what I found, and in my research, is that if someone is chasing the emotion of happiness, they're almost doomed to be unhappy, because emotions are fleeting. They're here one day, they're gone the next. You make some grand effort to achieve an emotion, and when you actually receive it, it's a lot of times a letdown. It's not what you thought it was going to be. It's not as fulfilling as you thought it would have been. So that can be very problematic. But if you build structures in your life, like relationships, like systems of gratitude, like pursuing your purpose, if you're out there building those structures in your life, they are going to, by the nature of themselves, produce the emotion of happiness, and a long lasting, the deepest form of it that can really propel you like through your life. So just wanted to put that
Thank you
context
so
out there.
much for that. That's very useful. Yeah.
Yeah. So one question in the of the 7 questions is,